This is Aaron.
That's Donovan.
And we are Attention to Detail. We've known each other since 2nd grade. That's a good start.
Yeah, we started 15 years old. Couldn't even drive to our clients' homes. We started off offering mobile services.
We started mobile. We were 15 in our sophomore year, so we couldn't drive to our clients' homes. We had to be driven by our parents.
My father drove us. It was about a 12-hour day. From that point on, it's been a dream. We've been in business about 2 years now.
We do have a mobile van.
Our van did not come easy to us.
Since then, we have expanded well past mobile. We've got a shop now.
We specialize in exterior paint correction and paint protection services, ceramic coatings, PPF paint protection film. However, we still do offer the absolute most high quality interior and exterior detailing around. We now have over 100 5-star reviews on Google, and they grow by the day. Give us a call at 219-533-8783 or shoot us an email at contact@attn2detail.info.
We service all of Chicagoland and Northwest Indiana. We're open 8 to 5, Monday through Saturday. If you want to see what real detailing is, you need to come get something done with us. Check us out. You won't regret it. Okay.